Welcome back. This is the last video recording from IM1 Week 3 Distance Learning live lesson. We got cut off from the last video, so I went ahead, and so from there where I've left off was we figured out the details for the blue line, and I've shaded that. Then I figured out the details for the red line, and then I've shaded it here. That means that all this red area, any solution on this red area means it satisfies this red inequality. The blue area satisfies the second blue inequality. So then what is the solution to the system? Well, system solution will be in the region that is overlapping by both inequalities. So it will be this area. That's the solution area. So I'm going to highlight this clearly so that it's really easy to see which is the area that is being overlapped. Okay, so now I would like you to pause the video and try this problem on your own. Okay, so you have another system, y is greater than -2 and x plus y is less than 2. And so from here, I would like to solve this and graph the solution. The answer will be in a minute. Okay, I hope you have done the problem yourself. I am going to go over it now. So the first inequality, I'm going to call it the blue inequality. Y is greater than -2. First question is this going to be a horizontal line or vertical line? Because we're talking about y value being -2, when is y value -2? Y value is -2 here. What about this point? It is also -2, and so on and so forth. So it's this line. Okay, now, so that's going to be a horizontal line that goes through -2. And is this going to be solid line or dashed line? This is going to be dashed line. Am I going to be shading above or below? Y is bigger. Y is greater. When is y going to be bigger? When it's above the line. Okay, so let's do just that. So dashed line, shade above, okay. Now let's do the next one. I'm going to call the next one the red inequality. But this time it's hard to graph because it's not in y equals mx plus b form. So we need to convert that. What do we need to get rid of? I hope you said get rid of 4x. So from both sides, that becomes y is less than -4x plus 2. So that means the slope is -4 over 1. Y-intercept is +2. Is it going to be dashed line or solid line? It's going to be dashed line. And then y is less than. Y is less than means we shade below. So let's do that right now. Y-intercept is 2. From here, the slope is -4, comma 1. -4 down, and then right 1. So this is my next point. From here, I am going to draw my dashed line. And I am going to shade below. So shading below will give me this area. So shading below, shading below, shading below. Okay, so which means the overlapping region is really this one. Okay, so that is the solution. So I have clearly indicated what the solution is. This is my solution area. Okay, all right, so this is the end of the video, and I hope you've had a chance to practice.